Today we're making my strawberry martini, which I promise you, once you make it, you'll want to make it over and over again. Let's go. First, you want to chill your martini glass in the freezer for about 5 minutes or while you work on your mix. Or you can also chill by adding ice to your glass and letting it sit while you mix. Once chilled, lime the rim of your martini glass. Then rim your glass with red sprinkles. I use cookie sprinkles. This drink is also perfect for Valentine's Day. Cut up 3 strawberries and add to a shaker. We're going to be using strawberry vodka today. This flavored vodka is by Vail, but plain vodka will work too. I'm adding 2 ounces of vodka. Now you can definitely add more depending on your alcohol preference. You'll need a muddler to release all those delicious strawberry juices. This cocktail set has almost every tool you'll need. I'll post a link in the description below. Next, add 1.5 ounces of sweet and sour mix. I also like to add roses, sweetened lime juice. We're going to do 1/2 ounce of this. If you want a little less sweetness and more of a tangy twist, you can add about 1/2 a lime instead of the roses sweetened lime juice. Another key ingredient is this Monin strawberry syrup that I love to use. We are going to add 1/2 ounce. Now we want to add some ice. Clean hands, of course. I like my martinis shaken. You can stir them if you want. Now shake, shake, shake what your mama gave you. When it comes to my strawberry martinis, I like to double strain. I'll post a link of the strainer in the description below. Now time to pour. This will eliminate any pulp. Now we'll garnish with a strawberry. Just make a cut in the center and add it to your rim. You can also garnish with a lime twist. Let me show you how to make one. Grab a lime, then using a potato peel, we're going to peel a strip all the way around your lime. Now I'm going to open my strip and just cut the sides off so we'll get a nice clean cut on each side. Using a paring knife, you want to remove some of the pith, the white stuff on the inside. This has a bitter taste, which you don't want. And once you remove it, it'll also help keep its shape when you're twisting the lime. Now take your lime twist and twist it in opposite directions. If it's too long, you can just cut it in half, then add it to your glass. And here you have it, a delicious strawberry martini by yours truly. Cheers! Let's give this a taste. Oh my gosh, it's so good. I hope you enjoyed this video. You can support me by giving it a like, sharing it with friends. Thanks for your support. Don't forget to subscribe.